Welcome to the Korean lesson for beginners. As we continue to expand our knowledge, there are other forms of greetings, which can be used in different situations. We shall learn them, one by one.
잘 자,
Which is the casual way to say, good night.
잘 자, 잘 자.
However, the literal translation of this expression is, sleep well,
잘,
which means, good,
자다,
which means, to sleep.
잘 자요,
Which is the standard way to say, good night.
잘 자요, 잘 자요. 안녕히 주무세요,
Which is the formal way to say, good night.
안녕히 주무세요, 안녕히 주무세요.
There are many other formal expressions. However, as a beginner, it is sufficient to know just one expression, which is most commonly used.
좋은,
Which means, good.
좋은, 좋은.
The difference between
잘,
and
좋은.
is that the first one is used as an adverb, the second one is used as an adjective.
꿈,
Which means, dream.
꿈, 꿈. 꿈꾸다,
Which means, to dream.
꿈꾸다, 꿈꾸다.
Now, we will start to build conversations, based on what we have learnt. This is a casual conversation.
잘 자, 잘 자. 좋은 꿈 꿔.
We shall have a look at the conversation, one more time.
잘 자, 잘 자. 좋은 꿈 꿔.
This is a standard expression of the previous conversation.
잘 자요, 잘 자요. 좋은 꿈 꿔요.
We shall have a look at the conversation, one more time.
잘 자요, 잘 자요. 좋은 꿈 꿔요.
Finally, we will learn the formal conversation, which in its expression itself, shows the beauty of Korean language.
안녕히 주무세요. 안녕히 주무세요. 좋은 꿈 꾸세요.
We shall have a look at the conversation, one more time.
안녕히 주무세요. 안녕히 주무세요. 좋은 꿈 꾸세요.
Now, we will come to the morning expressions, which are used, especially after waking up, or meeting someone in the morning.
잘 잤어.
Which means, did you sleep well?
잘 잤어. 잘 잤어.
The same expression can also be used as a response, to tell, you have slept well. It can be differentiated by saying the interrogative sentence, with a rising tone.
좋은 아침.
Which is the casual way to say, good morning.
좋은 아침. 좋은 아침. 잘 잤어요.
Which is the standard way to say, did you sleep well?
잘 잤어요. 잘 잤어요. 좋은 아침입니다.
Which is the formal way to say, good morning.
좋은 아침입니다. 좋은 아침입니다.
Now, we will start building conversations, based on the vocabulary we have just learnt. This is a casual conversation.
잘 잤어. 네, 잘 잤어. 좋은 아침.
We shall have a look at the conversation, one more time.
잘 잤어. 네, 잘 잤어. 좋은 아침.
This is a standard expression of the previous conversation. It can also be used in formal situations.
잘 잤어요. 네, 잘 잤어요. 좋은 아침입니다.
We shall have a look at the conversation one more time.
잘 잤어요. 네, 잘 잤어요. 좋은 아침입니다.
Thank you for the patient learning. Stay tuned for more updates. If you have any queries regarding the Korean lesson, please feel free to ask questions in the comments section.